Hey, what's up, guys? Macarius wanted to do a video. He wanted to change the oil. He said a lot of people wouldn't know how to change the oil, so Macarius doesn't know how to change the oil, of course. But it's pretty simple. Just get your car higher off the ground. You need to, on my Na Miata, it's a 13mm socket. That's what I'm gonna need. This is what you need for the oil change, basically. And you need your oil, your specific oil, and your specific filter. You can go under the car, and right under it's emptying right now, but right here there's gonna be a socket, and Macarius is gonna drop the car on top of me. There's gonna be a socket right here that you're gonna undo. Make sure you have the bucket under so you don't make a mess. The oil is gonna come out. Then there is a filter that I'll be taking out. This right here, right there. And goddamn, yeah, that shit's nasty. Oh, I need to wash the fuck it. Like all this dirt and debris. God damn.
Guys, make sure you change your oil often.
Yeah.
Don't be like Mina's dumbass. He fucked up his oil engine because of that.
Look at this shit.
The fuck, bro?
But yeah, after you take out the oil cap, you let the oil drain out.
Try not to drop it on the ground. If it drops on the ground, it's gonna leave a big stain.
Here's the oil filter right there, right here.
Some cars are under the car.
It's different places for different cars. This is for my Na Miata. And you want to grab it and twist left. Okay, bring that bucket over. Pull it up a little bit.
Up?
Yeah.
Towards me?
And it's gonna leak a little bit, so you want to make this as fast as possible. Oh, there we go. You can bring it either upwards, and make sure that your gasket is always still on the filter, because if you leave this on the engine and it gets stuck on there, you're fucked. But yeah, I let my oil sit for a pretty fucking long ass time. You shouldn't do that. But yeah, after that, you want to put the drain plug back on. You're gonna fill it up with the oil.
Hey, bro, Mina, hold on.
What's up?
Do you have a bigger hammer?
Nope.
No, we go keep with my hands going back.
Me tighten it on. Damn, bro, we're going to.
It ain't coming out.
Chill, bro. We'll do it later. You tighten it on. And you don't want it on too hard. You just want it like tight, but you don't want it on too tight. So the next time you come to take it out, it should be easy to take out. There we go. And then you put your old oil filter. Make sure you get the the right oil and the right oil filter for your car. You can find the right oil and the right oil filter at your local store, AutoZone, or any place like that. And before you put your oil filter back on, you wanna lube it up. Make sure it's lubed up, nice and smooth. You wanna put some oil in there, so you don't wanna put too much oil, but you just wanna put in a little bit so that your oil filter isn't running on nothing when you first start up the car. You want to grease up the gasket with some of the oil that you put on, so when you put it back on and you come try to take it back off, it's not stuck on there.
Hey, chill. Well, I got the hammer here. You know, your whole back.
And when you're putting it back on, you want to do it to the left, and you only want to hand tying it, only hand tying. You don't want to tying it with any tool. Bro, chill, homie, chill, bro. You want to tying it with your hand, as tight as you can with your hand. Don't tying it with any tools. If you're tying it on with the tool, you'll get that shit stuck on there. Don't do that. You don't want to go through that, trust me.
You did it?
Yeah, I've done it before. And that's how you do it. Make sure you know how much oil you're supposed to put in your car. And that's it.
If it gets
you put in the oil
next time and you can't take it out, there's a tool for it.
Yeah, there's a tool if you can't get it out next time, but just put in the amount of oil. There's a specific amount. Don't put in the whole thing. There's a specific amount they're supposed to put in. So only put in that specific amount.
Do not put too much or too less, like not a lot.
It's gonna tell you how many liters or quarts. There's liters and quarts, so just look at this and use that to help
Look it up
guide you.
or the owner's manual.
That's all. That's how you do an oil change. Then you need to have a friend around so you can smack his bitch ass. But yeah, that's it. Y'all stay tuned on
let him go on your car.
No,
Pull it up
fuck
on
you.
your car. Ding 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 ding.
But yeah, that's it.